Welcome to my instructional podcast. First, we're going to look at viewing file information. Okay, what you want to do is find a folder, click on it, then go find the file. You want to control and click on that. Then you go down to get information, click that. Then you can find the size of the folder, the name of it, the recording date, and where it's located at. So, next, creating a smart folder. Yeah, creating a smart folder, you want to make sure your toolbar, you go up there and make sure it say Finder first. Then you click on File. Then you go down to Find. Then your smart folder will pop up. Then you want to look for, let's say, last week's something. And let's say within this week, last projects within this week. Then you can go to it. You can save. That way you're creating your smart folder. Then you want to erase it, save it. Then you want to make sure you save it on the side tab. That way it'll be right there in a smart folder. That is how you create a smart folder. Making a stack. Okay, what you want to do is click onto your folder, drag it down to your dock. You want to put it on the right area and not the left area where the program area is. So you want to put it down there on the right side. Make sure you do that. Then you want to click on it and you'll view your stack. Simply click back on it to remove your stack. You just click on it, pull it up, and it magically disappears. Using the dock. Okay, using your cursor, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and at the bottom should be your dock. On the left side, you got your programs. On the right side, you got your files with your stacks in them. Now, to go into a program, you simply just click on it, and an icon comes up with all your things that's in your program. You can simply go within that file folder, see what you currently did, what you haven't did. You can even force quit it. Now, that's a great tool. Okay, now to remove something from the dock, you simply just click on it and drag it up, and it simply erases it from the dock. Now, to put it back on the dock, you simply just go to your Finder folder, go to Applications, find that icon, drag it down to the dock, and you can place it wherever you like to place it. Okay. Now, another great tool is your dock preferences. Like you could customize it. Far as you go to your dock settings, that way you can change the size of it, from little to big, your magnifications. You can put it on like the right or the left. Using force quit. Using force quit, you want to go to applications. You can go to, let's see, find an app. Okay, Safari be good. All right, now if anything, if Safari was to freeze up, you'll simply go up to the Apple icon at the top, and you can simply scroll down to force quit. And when you click on it, it comes up with everything that you have running. You simply click on it and click on force quit, and it's going to ask you to force quit or to cancel it. And you go to force quit. Another cool command, you can hit Option, Command, and Escape, and an icon window will still pop up. And that's another cool invention. That's the quick tool that Apple created, and you can also do the same thing. Using the spotlight. Now, using the spotlight, you simply click on the magnifying glasses in the far right corner of your toolbar. What comes up is everything that you did, as far as, like, say, for instance, I popped up CSI, it's all my files. Now you got spotlight preferences that you can click at the bottom of that, which shows all your files and everything that you want to do. And it also has a privacy part in it, which is also a cool item to have, where you can hide files and folders which the spotlight can't reach. Okay? All right. Increasing Mac security. Okay, what you want to do is go to your Apple icon, your toolbar, click on that, go to System Preferences, find an icon that's going to have the security, and then you, for general feed, firewall, privacy, and you got a lock thing in the bottom left hand corner. You click on that, you got to enter your Apple ID code, you do that, and then you can unlock it to change any security preferences you want, like far as your general settings and your security, like add anyone or anything like that, shut down, have your computer shut down, lock it up. Um, let's see, your firewall, you can set that up. You can force it to quit or advanced settings for anything that you want to have the firewall. And let's see, the privacy is where you have everything locked up in your privacy folder. Okay, and when you're done, you make sure you click onto the lock icon, so everything, all your changes will be made, and it'll be nice and safe. Next, setting system preferences. Setting system preferences, you simply click on the Apple icon and go to your system preferences. You can go to any one of those, like your desktop, CDs, hard drive, internet wireless system. Let's say, for instance, you want to click on there and you the only user, you want to share it with a friend or a family member, and you click on that and share it with that. You want to go to the ThinkPad or anything like that to find out how to set that, the sensitivity as well. Your music, how you want your input, output. Got a lot of cool stuff in there. You can change the volume or how your input, your output is. Basically, whatever you want to do in system preferences to meet your specifications is a great tool to have. Now, what you can do is you can go down to speech, and you can change, anything like your system preferences as far as your speech of your computer. Like, say, for instance, I want to change the name or the guy that's saying the words. You simply play on it, and you can change the tone, male, female, or whatnot. Basically, that's it. You can change the frequencies, everything. Changing the desktop's picture and back. Okay, simply what you want to do is click on the Apple icon, System Preferences. The window's going to come up, and you're going to go to Desktop and Screensavers. What you do is go to your desktop, click on the pictures that you have there. Let's see. We go solid colors. We go desktop pictures, and that way you can change any picture you want. They got some pretty cool pictures. You simply just hit, save, orders back out on it, or double click. When you change the background to solid colors, or you know, I'll put back on the CSI. You simply go back to it and center it, or no, you make sure it's in the fitted full screen, and then that's how you change it. Change it back. Next, we have energy saver options. Energy saver options, you just simply go to System Preferences once again, and the light bulb would be your energy saver options. So you click on that, and it tells you when you want to sleep, on your battery, or your screen monitor, or your desktop layout, or your keyboard to dim the light. And, you can simply just change it, to any specifications that you want. So there you have it. You can go to the book or the power, the battery or the power screensavers. Energy savers. I'd like to thank you for watching my instructional podcast.